Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this roasted whole turkey. Here is the ingredients that I'll be using. 1 whole turkey, the one I have is 20 pounds. I'm going to clean it with 4 limes, vinegar, sour orange, as well as salt. To marinate the turkey, I'll use chicken bouillon powder, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cloves, red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper, paprika, thyme, parsley flakes, rosemary, Creole seasoning, salt, épices, the juice of 2 limes, unsalted butter, sliced onion, sliced bell peppers, celery, as well as carrots. In a bowl, I'll mix the sour orange with the vinegar. I'll use this mixture to clean the turkey with some salt and sliced limes. After removing the turkey from the wrapper, I run it under cold water. I remove the turkey neck as well as the gizzards. I trim any visible fat as well as the loose skin from the turkey. After prepping the turkey, I rinse it again, and now I can begin to clean it with the salt, vinegar, and sour orange mixture as well as the lime. I'm going to clean it on the outside as well as the insides. Because of the size of this turkey, I allow it to sit in the citrus marinade for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing under cold water. After rinsing the turkey under cold water, I'll allow it to drain, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to mix all the seasonings and herbs that I'll be using to marinate the turkey. I'm using 2 packs of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoon epice, the juice of 2 limes, as well as 1 stick unsalted butter that has been softened. I mix this mixture until everything is well combined. I placed the turkey on a baking sheet that was lined with parchment paper. It couldn't fit in my big pot. Before you apply the marinade, I suggest that you take paper towel and pat it dry. I skipped that step, regret it, but it still came out good. So now I'm taking all the marinade, I'm rubbing it all over the turkey. I'm sticking it underneath the skin of the turkey on the back side, all through the cavity. Everywhere is going to be covered with this marinade. I stuffed the cavity of the turkey with the sliced onions, sliced bell peppers, celery, as well as carrots. Like I stated before, my turkey couldn't fit in my pot and I needed to sit in something so it can marinate for about 24 hours. So what I'm using is a big stock pot. I'm going to place the turkey in it, cover it, and place it in the fridge. The next day, I placed the turkey that was in the stock pot on the counter and allow it to come to room temperature. I preheated the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I placed the turkey in a roasting pan but had it sit on a roasting rack. I did take some Creole seasoning and sprinkle a little bit over the top before placing in the oven. The top of my turkey was a little smushed because how I had it sitting in the stock pot, but nonetheless, it's still turkey, it's still going to be cooked and it's still going to taste good. For this size turkey, which was a 20-pounder, I'm going to roast it in the oven on 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 4.5 hours. After every hour, I'll go back and I'll baste it with the juice that it has produced. 2/3 way after cooking, I'll remove it, baste it again, and I'll cover the breast portion with aluminum foil to prevent it from drying out. After the turkey has been roasting in the oven for 4.5 hours, I removed it and placed it on the counter. I insert a thermometer in the breast part, and it's supposed to read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Mine went up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The thigh portion is supposed to be around 180. Mine went to 185, was reaching towards 190. I'll allow the turkey to sit on the counter for about 15 to 20 minutes before I carve it. While the turkey was resting on the counter, I went ahead and enjoyed the piece of the turkey neck as well as the gizzard. Here is the finished product. I have some of the white meat on the plate as well as some of the dark. Thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and also share. I'll see you in the next video.